Good afternoon. Ay, yes, good afternoon. It's maulang kahaponon, no? Tingnan mo. There's so many dry leaves over there. It's, you know. So we're going to where? Going to the city. So let's go, guys. Sure. This is the way going to the Hanging Lake. It's very it's good thing that it's have a rain shower right now. Just look at the grass. It's almost like brown color now. It's because of very hot weather. So there's a big trees of mango and yeah. See, look, this is where we always aguroy past it. So when it's night, imagine how dark it is. Yeah. So it's like 3 minutes going to the road from our place. See, look, it started to yellow color the grass. It's because of the hot weather, and it's raining right now. Look at our place where we live. It's so far from. Now there, see lake. It's road now. It's a highway. See lake. So it's raining at the moment. Aguroy. See, this is how. Now we are on the highway from our place. We're going somewhere along the road. Because it's raining. So many motorbikes here, and they have ano na electric power. Imagine our place is really, there's no pollution, but here in the highway you can smell all from the cars. So yeah, this is our, look at that, the beautiful place where we live. And there is like a small talipapa. It's what we call here in the Philippines talipapa. Very nice. It's very Hawaii, no? Saki. Hence, Hawaii. Alright. Now, going to where we go. It's raining at the moment here. So, you know, in the city of Arcata. So this is the city of Arcata. Look. And this is Mount Enazal. Passing by Mount Enazal. There is a Jollibee over there. So we're going to the plaza. Plaza. Robinsons. The umbrella because it's raining. So we are lucky. Yeah. Oh, okay, let's go. Alright, here, let's go. So this is the plaza in Oroqueta. So you can see. It's even it's raining. Oh my God, kids would love to come here. Imagine. So beautiful. Like very clean. Oh, there's some places. All done. Alright, let's go. There's some food over there. We will buy some food for them because they want to eat something. See, it's a stool, street food stool. You can, what do you call this? You can buy some. So, yeah, that's it. As thinking, it's a food store. Yeah, in the Palawan. Uwi na me. We're going back home na. Kasi wala pang ulan. Hi, Soy. Grabe, Soy. Bye. Hi, Soy. So, nakalugsong bod ang taga-Bukid. So, this is the plaza of Oroqueta. I'll show you. See? You can see the ocean. Yeah, see the window. See, wow, beautiful view. It's raining, so no, we cannot see. I'm sorry, it's because it's raining. So look, Oroqueta City. Yeah. Alright. City Plaza. MWR Bazaar. Wala kayo tao kay rain go away. Rain man. So if there's no rain, there's so many people there in the plaza. Oh, it's cooking deep excavation. Post pala. Oh, hindi nakapos pala. Sayang, ganda pa naman to.